Hey friends, we're getting lots of questions about why do I grow a sunflower cover crop. First off, this is not the same variety of sunflowers that I grow for cuts. These sunflowers, in fact, produce a lot of pollen and a lot of nectar, so it's really good. So we grow it, A, because it's going to be beautiful. We grow it for habitat, and we grow it for the pollinators. And you can see it's right on the verge of blooming right now. And so we will actually plan to enjoy it throughout its bloom. And as the blooms start to diminish and to kind of like head out of here, is when we actually extinguish this crop, because we don't want it to go to seed and become a new weed here on my farm, right? So it's going to be really, really beautiful. We will mow it after the blooms have started to fade, and then we'll incorporate it, and it'll add tons of organic matter to our soil. So we grow it because it's beautiful. We grow it for pollinators and habitat, and we grow it to add lots of organic matter to our soil. So there you have it, sunflowers as a cover crop. Find it at thegardenersworkshop.com.